Hello everyone, this is Mohammed from Python Ninja YouTube channel, and today we will practice random module further by highlighting rock, paper, scissors exercise. So in rock, paper, scissors exercise, we have to write a Python program that mimics rock, paper, scissors game. Okay? And in this game, the user must input his choice and the computer must randomly select from a table of options which contain rock, paper, scissors. So the first thing to approach to the solution or to have the solution is to import random modules. So all of this exercise is just to import to practice random modules. So the first thing we imported random, then I have to have my computer options, which are a table, which is a table that contains rock and contain paper and contain also scissors. Okay, this is the option that the computer should select from. So then I have to highlight what is the computer choice, and this will be random as what we learned together. Dot choice to randomly select one of these computer options. Okay, so we have computer options and we have computer from the computer options. Okay, our problem with my computer is a computer options like this. Okay, now we also want to identify the player choice, and this player choice at the beginning will be none, variable that holds none. Now we want to use while loop that it will check if this input, okay, of this user choice will be, or the player choice will be within these options or not. So I can say while, okay, a player choice, okay, again, while player choice not in computer options, okay. So if the user will input anything outside these computer options, okay, then we enforce him, okay, so the player choice now will be changed to an input to still like input something within this or one option within these options. Okay, enter your choice. Okay, and I can make it more fancy to him to add rock or paper or scissors. Okay, and then I have to column. Now let us print here like 50 stars as usual, and I can print here, for example, the computer, the choice is, okay, sorry for this, choice is, we can say here the computer choice, and the same thing I can do for the user. It show, or not user, just to make your, okay, choice is, I can also show the player choice, which is your choice. Okay, so when I execute this, if I will enter anything outside this option, like if I say game, then while loop will enforce me to like input within this options. So I can say, for example, rock, and I enter. So I choose rock, and at the same time the computer choose rock, but choose rock. For example, I can say I want to choose paper. Just I know here I choose paper, but the computer chooses scissors, and because it's random sampling or random generation for this choice, okay, or random choice within the random module. Now let us design the game. The game like follows: if the player choice will be equal to the computer choice, then we will print like a situation it is equality like this. So both will be equally, and no one is well in this case. Elif. Now, if the player or if your choice will be equal to rock, okay, to rock, for example, sometimes I use single, sometimes I use double quotation, but for me, just to show you that I can use any of these and that work, just in practice, try to use in a uniform, don't mix both. Just to show that you are professional. Now, if the player's choice is equal to rock and the computer's choice will be scissors, okay, then you will win. Okay, so I have to print, for example, you win. Okay, and that's in case if you choose rock and the user will choose scissors, because rook is the winner here, and if you choose paper and the user choose rock, elif, okay, elif, the player's choice will be equal to paper and the computer's choice will be, okay, rock, you still the winner. Okay, print, okay, you win again. Okay, that's if you choose paper and the computer choose rock. If you choose scissors and the computer choose paper, you won. Elif, okay, elif, a player choice is equal scissors, and look at this and, not or, and the computer choice will be equal to paper, then also you win here. You okay win, and any case other than this you will not win. So you have to choose rock, the computer choose scissors, you will win. You have to choose paper, the computer choose rock, then you will win. You have to choose scissors, the computer choose paper, then you will win. Else, what I can say, print, for example, you forward use single quotations, you lose this game. Okay, let's practice together. Okay, now I have to print to input, for example, paper. Okay, and in case I enter paper, we have go to this condition. The computer should select rock to win. Oh, I choose paper, the computer chose scissors, and it's not here. The only case that I will win when I choose paper, the computer should select. The only case that I will win when I select paper implies that the computer will select rock. Okay, and here the computer not select rock, so it will go for else. Okay. As you can see here from the implementation, that this is applied one, okay? However, I use while loop in the top just to play again and again, but this while loop, the functionality of this while loop is just to check if the user input will input to me an option within this table or not. So let's play again and see how can we will modify the code. If I choose, for example, scissors, okay, the computer shows rock, I choose scissors, then I also lose this game. So, and the execution has been ended, and now what I can do, look to me, to modify the code, we want to add another while loop, okay, to be outer, and this should be enough. But I have to identify the run, and this is optional. Instead of say while true, I can say, for example, run equal true. Okay, like this, I just use it inside the while loop, and look at me. Under this run variable, I select all of the lines of the code and I press tab in the keyboard just to align. Okay, and here in the top I can say while run. It is similar to say while true. Okay, and here from this line here I play once. Okay, then I have to ask you if you want to play again or not. Okay, so I can say for example after playing the first round I can say for example play again, and this play again will be nothing but input. Do you want to play again? And then I can also show to you that you have to press Y to play. Okay, and just to make it like case sensitive, I use lower to make the ability to use small letters. Okay, this is the play again. What I will do, look at this. If this play again, okay, no, if it's a play again, okay, will be Y. Okay, what does that mean? If it will be Y, then I want to play again. Okay, and the user will input Y, and here we have Y, meaning that Y is equal Y is the true. So I can say if true, okay, what I have to do, I have to break, but that's not the case because Y is used to play again. So I use Y equal Y is the true, then I invert it to not, so it will be false now. Okay, and I can say break only if true, meaning that if I press any letter other than Y, it will come here. Suppose I press T will come here. T is equal Y. No, false. Not false is it true? Then this if condition will be if true, and then will it break the code. Okay, so I can rerun the code again. I want to enter rock. So I choose rock, the computer choose rock, and we know from here that if I choose rock, if my choice will be equal to the computer choice, which is this, it's equally, no one will win, and a message taken from this variable will appear to here. Do you want to play again? I can say Y to yes. Okay, then it will ask me, because the outer while loop I have here, it will ask me to enter again. I choose another rock, and I lost this game because the computer chose paper. And we know the only case that I win with rock is that the computer will choose scissors. Okay, then I want to play again, and I want to choose, for example, scissors. Okay, and my choice is scissor, and the computer's choice is scissor here. So we both are winning this in this case. I want to choose paper. Okay, paper. Yeah. Here it is what happened. I have to press Y, but I instead inserted paper. Paper is equal Y, not and not will be true, and the execution has been break. Then at home you can at your computer you can play to an infinite. You can make app just to make this game more funny, and we implemented together rock paper scissors. Remember that for the rules, that if you both select the same thing, then you have to equally, and if you choose rock, the computer should choose scissors. If you choose paper, the computer choose rock. If you choose scissors, the computer choose paper. Otherwise you will lose.